Here we will write a Python program to exchange values of two variables using third variable. So in comment line, first we'll write. First we'll accept two numbers from the user. So a equal to int, input, enter first number. Then in B we'll accept second number. So b equal to int, input, enter second number. Then we will assign value of a to temporary variable t. So t equal to a. Then we will set a equal to b and b equal to t. And we will print with formatting output values of a and b. After exchange, we will print a and b. And we will execute this. It will ask first number I will give 4, second number I will give 3. It will print values after exchange as 3 and 4.